Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can put picture on green screen in Capcut PC. Okay, select the picture you want to add to green screen and select the green screen picture and make it as an overlay. Just put on top the image, another image, and you are just going to remove the green screen background here. Just going to cut out, select chroma key and select color picker, select the green color and just for the strength and the shadow until you find the perfect, and select the image or picture and you can resize, the picture like so. And here we go, this is the final effect you have on your green screen. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.